Hello everyone. In this recording, I'm going to use MASA um, research outcome of ChatbotLLM research. It stands for Mobile Accessible Seamless Agent. And I'm going to compare it with a live chart, AI-powered live chart that you can see in any website. In this case, I use AskAU as an example to do the comparison. So in this case, I'm going to ask questions that related to my faculty of Science and Technology, and see what will happen in between these two systems. So first of all, at the left-hand side, I'm going to use ChatbotLLM. I can start the chat. And because this is my first time to use, I choose FST 2025, which is all the knowledge about the Faculty of Science and Technology at AU. So once I have done this, now I can start to do the test. So my first task will be I will try to ask this question. So does AU provide courses for nutrition? So at the right hand side, I'm using AskAU and I click enter and enter here. So both of
Yes,
them.
Athabasca University, provides courses for nutrition.
Okay, so basically, the MASA can talk. So you can see that both of them, they come out something in about almost the same time. And at the right hand side, it says AU doesn't currently have a nutrition program for the course of undergraduate program, blah, blah, blah. And you can search by yourself. On the other hand, at the left hand side, you can see that ChatbotLLM MASA actually say that the AU does have a nutrition course, for example, Nutrition 406 or Nutrition 331. So basically, that is because of AI-powered application. If they are using large language model, then how you ask a question will be very important. So apparently, the question is not very good for the AskAU. So maybe we can change another way to ask. Let's say, does AU have a nutrition course offering? So we can do once again at both sides. So go and go. So the right-hand side is coming out. Athabasca University may offer individual nutrition-related course, but not okay, not many, not very useful. On the other hand, here that is very similar things. We have the course. So let's ask course. Probably when we are asking a course with the name, probably it can come out something. So now I would like to do that at the left-hand side. I want to speak rather than type. So I needed to allow it while using this site or allow this time. So I will allow while visiting this site. Can you talk more on the course content of Nutrition 406? Okay, a little bit because this is a speech to text, so we may want to make some change because before we send it out, and I can copy the same content once again, send at the right hand side, and send at the left hand side. So right hand side is say, one moment, let me quickly look for you. And the left hand side, we already have the answer, which is nutrition course, is online course that provide blah, blah, blah. And with the book is here. And also it says this course is built on 330. So that is something we get. And at the right hand side, we also got the things. So for 6, that is a title, prerequisite, and focusing, and down. So both of the chatbot give you some information. Of course, chatbot LLM seems to MASA seems to give more information, more detailed information. But at the right hand side, we do have some links you can click and do some search by yourself. On the other hand, let's try to say, since we already say nutrition 330, so how about let's do this again. Can you give more details on nutrition 330? Okay, so 330 is not the 60. So let me directly do this, and I can also copy that. So send and send. So again, right hand side, we have one moment, please. And the left hand side, we already have the answer. So 330, blah, blah, blah is here. Very important here is general interest students, they are advised to take 331 instead. 330 is has the challenge to for credit and so on. So it is a senior level course that primarily intended for students who plan the nutrition 405. On the other hand, of course, the right hand side, we finally also have the answer. So nutrition 3, course name and the recommendation. And also there is some topics and the evaluation and so on. So that is the details of the 330. Of course, it doesn't really tell you that this course is intended for what, and also general interest students who are advised to take another course. On the other hand, let's do another thing which is a little bit more complicated. That is a comparison things. So I will say, can you make a comparison between nutrition 330 and 331? And I can do the same thing here at the right hand side. So once again, I will click send here and send there. So both of them, they are syncing, and of course left hand side, MASA has already got me some answer, and the right hand side, AskAU is still trying to find something, and I don't know how much time it will need, but let's see. And if we take at the right hand side, left hand side, the MASA will tell you the 331, 332, and the key difference here. Now, the right hand side we come out something, and apparently it's talking about, okay, both are 3 credit nutrition course. 330 is a nutrition focus, 331 is health and disease focus. That is good. And on the other side, there are some similarity and also other things. Left hand side, you can also see that is very similar things that we have the nutrition for health, introduction nutrition, and target audience, and also restriction, and the key difference. So that is something we wanted to do the test, and we have already asked some question, and we already know there are some courses for nutrition. If we ask this question again, does AU provide courses for nutrition? Can we get a result? Of course, we do know that the left side, the MASA already know we have a nutrition course, but let's ask both again, once again. Okay, now right hand side, yes. Now Athabasca University offer nutrition course. We can see that, and the left hand side we can also see the same thing. Um, but of course, the right hand side they will not have a memory, which means if we ask again, just like what I did earlier, it will not really know. AU has courses. It will respond to something like this one. Yeah, so that is the simple comparison here we do today. We can see that the MASA and the ChatbotLLM actually is responding faster, or in the most of the time, is faster than live chat, AI-powered live chat like AskAU. On the other hand, it's a things to give you more details and content instead of asking you just taking a look by yourself. Of course, that is also good things because with these links, okay, this link is not a count because this link asks you to browse all the courses. But on the other hand, these links, they are useful, like the syllabus link and so on. They are existing link. So I think that is everything today. Thank you so much for watching.